But today, I am so elated. I am so happy. I am even getting hysterical. I'm so excited. Several people sent me the video of Uche Mefor. One of them who sent me the video said, Alaji, you see what others don't see. You speak where others are too politically correct to speak. You speak where others are afraid to speak. But you have won for all of us and Biafrans the right to freedom of religion. One of them. All of us are Biafrans. A set of Biafrans now decide that they have the right of life and death over all of us. That they are going to kill all Christians. They are going to close down churches. They have started going, breaking down the monument of Mary, Angel Gabriel, and all sorts of things. They have proclaimed our Biafra, our own Biafra, a Jewish state. They are going to kill all Muslims, including myself. A critical stakeholder, a former stakeholder, our Biafra, in our Biafra. They will kill me. They will kill every member of my family. They will kill every Muslim. And they say, go and work with Nnamdi Kanu. Go and work with Nnamdi Kanu. Who is this idiot you want me to go and work with? What are his credentials in our struggle? He rants. What are his badge of honor? 76 times in detention. Still counting. I have not given up. I have not run away. I am not Ben Johnson. I am not Usain Bolt. They say, he has been bought over. Who bought me over? Who? Is it Obasanjo? Is it Buhari? They are alive. You come out and make frivolous accusations. But that is not the issue today. I am so happy that Uche Mefor came out. He has been under pain for a very long time. Yes, that's the truth. For him to come out to say, I am a Catholic. This is the beginning of reconciliation and respect for the rights of all Biafrans. Nobody owns Biafra. All of us collectively own Biafra. We have equal right in Biafra. Every Biafran, the Biafran we are building, will be a joy to all mankind. People will come from all over the place, whether they are Biafrans or not, to come and live, because they will be free. They will be free to practice whatever religion they want to practice, whatever belief they want to have. If in Biafra a Muslim attack a non-Muslim, I will stand by that Muslim until I extricate his right from the hand of that mad Muslim. If a non-Muslim attack a Muslim, I will do likewise. We will not be like Nigeria, where Buhari will import Boko Haram, import his brothers from all over the Sahel, and bring them to come and murder other people. No. Biafra will be the home of all those who seek shelter. That is the Biafra I believe in. And anybody who shares this ideology, these views, I will 100% associate with him. I will 100% collaborate with him. But somebody will wake up one day and say the God of Biafra is Sukuka Obioma. How can you? Is Sukuka Obioma and Ijo what? And Ijo 10? And Ijo man will stand up and say the God of Biafra is Oputamono. And Ogoni man will stand up and say the God of Biafra is Bari. The confusion you want to create. Is this really a fight for Biafra or a fight for something else? No. Or Biafra will be free. Or Biafra will be the land of La ilaha illallah. There is no God except God. Or Biafra will be the land of hallelujah. Or Biafra will be the land of shalom. Or Biafra will be the land of all belief. Uche Mefor, thank you for making my day. I am so proud today that I have people who share freedom for all like me in Biafra.